maybe a little too stiff. I don't know. I'm trying to decide if I should decrease my palm oil slightly. I think I did 15% of this, and I'm thinking maybe I should do 10. Palm kernel flakes. Oh! I just broke it! Oh, I'm gonna cry. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Okay, I have a... Oh dear.
Oh no.
Okay,
Oh,
I knew
no.
it was a little hard. Oh man. Ow.
Oh.
Can I make one batch of soap where something disastrous doesn't happen?
You need help.
Well, man. Ugh. Okay. Well, it's broke.
Well, it worked for a while, didn't it? You've had it for a long time, haven't you? I mean, still.
So something popped over there. Oh man. Can you see what popped? Something gold popped over there.
This? Oh no.
Okay, well, I'll have to dig out and see if I can find my instructions on how to...
Oh man.
Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna have to go and figure out how to do this. And let me go find my manual, stop my video here, and go stop that one. My little paper he sent.
Easily?
Okay, so I just made myself sick. So what happens is I have chronic fatigue syndrome and fibromyalgia. And whenever something stressful happens, it makes me really sick. So now I'm sick. So let's see if we can figure out how to do this. So I found my paper. I had to dig just a little bit because I rearranged my soap room, and of course I have no idea where anything is. And I wonder if I'm gonna need BJ for this. He's Mr. Mechanical. Okay, so I'm getting my wire off. Thankfully he sent it to me. Sent me an extra one. Okay. So I'm following, let's see, directions. How in the world? Oh, great. Now I gotta go figure, okay. Let's see. Yeah, I need like a cup of tea with a whole bunch of extra stuff in it. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out how to change my wire here. So let me go over to YouTube and look up Bud's wire cutter. Bud's wire cutter replacement. I hope maybe that will come up. Ah, Bud's replacing a wire with Bud. Okay, so I'll put this link in the description below. Thankfully, Bud has this.
Wire cutter.
I will. Oh dear. Now I'm talking on Facebook. This is a very interesting situation here because I have myself on Facebook. Let me just watch and see here. Oops, I keep putting up the volume. I can't do that. Okay, so stop. So let's see. What did he do? He untwisted. Let's see. Yeah, but that's not going to work.
Do you need my phone?
Let's see. Okay, so his snapped here. Do you know what the wire cutters are, Ellie? Can you go get the wire cutters? Oh man, I hope I don't slice myself. This is a very interesting situation. Take the old one off. You have to feed it through the back, but see, it broke on the back. So I can't do that. So
This?
let's see, can I pull this through as I'm turning? Okay, so I have wire cutters. I'm snipping my wire cutters. Oop, there's the old one. Now I'm pulling this through. And I'm untwisting.
Someone said to give the stress the wrong address.
Give the stress the wrong address. That's a great. I like that. Crystal said that. That's very good. Okay. Take deep breaths. So I'm on YouTube, if you're wondering. I am on Facebook at the same time trying to figure out how to replace my wires with all my soaping Facebook friends at Living on a Dime. So I just did what he did. So he took a wire cutter and cut this off right here. You know, we thought about going back to Missouri, and if we do, I should see if Bud would do a YouTube video out with me. Sorry guys, I just snapped myself. Okay, I may need my mechanical son here to help me with this. Whoa!
Please don't stab your eye a little bit.
Oh dear. Okay, so be really careful. When you untwist it, it springs a lot. So don't let it spring in the eye. This is intense. This is very intense. Okay, so can you see what he's doing here?
Good.
Oh, I see. Wait a minute, maybe I can do this. I think I can maybe do this. So, can you see down here on this hole?
I'm switching the angle here so you can see.
Okay, so right here. Well, now the whole family's here. Well,
I just wondered if you needed help. It sounds like there's an
4
ER
sevenths.
visit coming.
The army is coming to help Mom.
Oh,
So-
that's a tiny hole.
Right there.
That's the
Is
hole?
that?
That's not a hole.
Yeah, that doesn't look like a hole.
Here.
Oh! Oh, no wonder it wasn't going through.
That's why BJ gets the big bucks.
Okay. So now...
Oh, that's easy. So then you just wrap it around there.
Wait, doesn't it need to go through this though?
Yeah.
Yes,
hole
it
through
needs to go through there.
Problem solving.
So, Dad, are we getting this on camera? Can you see?
Yeah, I'll back away.
On this camera? Well, I can see what's going on down there, but not above. Do you want me to pull
No,
this
that's
off?
fine. Just down here is what I want.
Are you cutting the rest of this off?
Yes.
Okay.
So now the question is, was my soap just too hard, or was my cutter too tight? I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so we're pulling it through.
So you're just wanting the
Okay.
that on camera.
Yes.
Okay.
So now let's see what we can do here. Other ways, tighten it.
Is that a guitar tightener?
Yeah. I think you need to hold this down maybe like this.
What, did it snap on you?
Yes. Okay, hold on. Let's watch Bud just so we don't snap another one. Okay, hold on. Here's Bud. See, there's Bud doing it through that. Okay.
Is that the dude that we saw at?
He's the one that mailed me this. No, we haven't seen him yet. I thought we should do a YouTube video with him if he would do it with us if we go back to Branson.
That'd be cool.
Although I don't think you're up to going back to Branson. But
Not really, but.
okay, so it's pulled through. So we got it pulled through and we got it on here. Oh, watch your face. Sorry. So now he's saying we should have a little bit of slack on here. See how he's holding that up?
You don't have to tie it or anything?
Yeah, it wraps around. Okay, so there's a little bit of slack.
You need the slack so it wraps around. Okay. That's what he's saying.
Okay, so now he's tightening it. Let's see. So he's snipping off the end. Well, BJ, you had the right idea, but it's not.
No, you just have to keep going so it wraps around.
Oh,
takes
but
a while.
Do you want me to do it?
Okay, so just keep wrapping like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
It takes like 10 turns per one for the string, so that's why it's going so slowly.
Oh.
In fact, you probably could have had more
Yeah.
slack. But,
Oh dear, do you think I need more slack?
well, I mean, you could have just had it wrapped around a little more.
I think I better do that. I don't trust it.
You need to unwrap it. Careful, careful.
Okay, let's lop some of this off. This is disturbing me. Okay, so let's see. So let's
Oh yeah, you can pull it.
pull it through.
Well,
Keep going. Keep going. Oh dear.
now can you pull it through?
There. Now, what's that? Let's try a little bit more. Okay, now let's try that. Whoa, this is intense.
That's a long video.
No, this is a different video. We're past buds here. Okay. Now, I am, oh wait, something's not right. See, look at,
Oh shoot. Well, we almost got it. That's pretty much what. That doesn't just pull through right there.
let's see. Okay, so pull
This is such an interesting live stream.
that. Okay, so let's see. If we pull this through.
Yeah, like that.
Okay, now start tightening. Now it's still not quite right. Oh, Lord.
How tight does it need to go?
Keep going.
Make sure it's.
Okay.
Make sure it's this way. So there we
Oh.
go.
Okay.
That's pretty tight.
What is it? That's for you probably. Just tell. Well, yeah. Okay, I think I got it. Woohoo! I think I got it. Sorry, it's the Cairo calling for us. Okay. Did you not answer it?
No.
Answer the phone. Okay, well, Ellie, my family refuses to answer the phone. It drives me crazy. Okay, so there. Now I got this cut off and had the answer machine going through the whole video now. Okay, let's give it a try. So here's the old one. There's that one. Now, whew, I need a cup of tea. Okay, that actually was not that difficult. I thought it was going to be harder. But now that I know what I'm doing next time. Okay, so let's see. You know, I'm wondering if my soap is just too hard. Oh dear, I'm afraid to do this now. Okay. Well, it kind of messed that up, but see how it messed up the, see how the lines are in there? You can just take a knife and just smooth it back out again. So I was able to save that piece of soap. Okay. Ooh. All right, let's try this again. Okay, I admit I'm a little nervous now because now I don't know if it's my soap that's too hard. Although I will say I've had this cutter for a year and that's the first time it's broken. So what I'm trying to decide is, do I keep going or do I try it with a knife? All right, guys, I'm gonna use my knife. I don't know, I'm just wondering if I made my soap too hard. The problem is I'm selling these, so I want them to be really, really even. Okay. See if we can get it here. Wow. Holy moly. Okay, I think it's my soap. So I need to reduce the palm kernel. I did 15% palm kernel flakes in here. And I really liked it because oh my goodness. I really liked it because it's set up really quickly and it's very hard, but it's too hard. So I'm gonna have to adjust that recipe. Yes, Donna says loosen the wire when you're not cutting. I do. Every time I'm done, I do undo my wire, or loosen it. Not undo it, but loosen it. Yeah, this is very interesting.